I'm so excited for this new coaster. It looks amazing out there. It's going to be an amazing area once it's all finished. Of course, only groundworks taking place, but there is a lot of work happening out there. You can see that piece of machinery is coming back out from under the ground. Very cool to see lots of work happening today. With the clearance you get lovely views of how big it's back there. It's amazing. There goes LEGOLAND, the last coaster that was put into this park. So you see new roller coasters coming to the park. They're going to be racing / rolling coasters. It's great fun. Just what this park needs. You can see they're lowering something in the ground. Can't remember what they're called. But there's something to help with foundations. Another view here from the stairs onto LEGOLAND. A lot of work is happening, which is good, which means it should be ready for next year. But of course, over here at the Build and Race, with this opening this year and it being Ferrari themed, could we see the new coaster being Ferrari themed? As it is a racing coaster, I reckon that theme would be a good theme to go down, with like a Ferrari racy sort of theme. I reckon it would be an interesting theme to go down, and it would be really good with the park, especially if they make more models like the one in there. So that is a possible theme of the roller coaster. We're just up here on the sky ride. Of course, that is one of the boards to block off the area of the construction. It says on your marks, get set, go, which could link to it being a racing themed roller coaster, which would be a very interesting theme, and I would love it if it was. Don't know what other theme they could make it up around here. Apart from that, of course, we are here on the sky ride. Could we then see this being rethemed, or could we see this stay the same? Oh look, there's an old lady. There's a like wizard or old lady, or is that from Fairy Tale Brook? I didn't even get out of it. Oh, you get amazing views from Miniland.